Madam Speaker, would you please call the House to order?
The House will come to order. Good morning, colleagues. We have no housekeeping this morning, several introductions. We will start with Mr. Colton for the purpose of an introduction.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. I have guests with me today from Brooklyn. One is a small business, the owner of Bobby's Auto, Mohammed Sajid, and Amir Iqbal, together with a guest that they have visiting them, Hassan Ishad. These people and this small business is known for its generosity in helping community members, people who have problems. Every month of Ramadan, they are supportive of the local mosque by providing free iftar meals and other food items to those in need. And they are very concerned about what is going on in the community, and they wanted to visit us here in Albany to see the state capitol and the seat of government. So I would ask that they be recognized and shown the cordialities of the House and the privileges of the House, and that we welcome these honored business persons to the Assembly chambers. Thank you, Madam Speaker.
Thank you. On behalf of Mr. Colton, the Speaker, and all members, we welcome you, distinguished guests, to our Assembly chamber and extend the privileges of the floor to you. Small business ownership is definitely the backbone of commerce, so we thank you for your contributions to the community. We hope you enjoy our proceedings today. Thank you so very much for joining us.